in the outside world. So you already know what to do. Breathe, calm yourself, ground, open your heart and crown, and receive the light to expand. Stay grounded in Mother Earth, because she is transforming, and you are accompanying her. The outside world is separated from what is of low density, so we must let go of our attachment to this world. Even though we do not fully understand what this means, our willingness is important to facilitate the transition. Therefore, observe your investment in the dramas and chaos of the outside world with detachment. The more energy is required of you, the more you need to replenish yourself to stay balanced. Keep an eye on this counter. You may feel that these are powerful days of transformation, caused by a myriad of alignments, all of them profound, whether numerological, energetic, planetary, earthly, or physiological. You are being bombarded with frequencies that will help you in this transformation. Keep riding the waves high and don't let them pull you under. If you start to feel overwhelmed, go within and recalibrate. You are sovereign. You are that light, so allow it. Allow it to bend you, shape you, and charge you. When your mind gets confused trying to decode what's happening as structures collapse, step back or you'll fall with them. If you have chosen to rise with the light, this is not the direction to take. Land. Center of attention. Breathe. You are more guided, protected, and inspired than you can imagine right now. So trust that as well, even blindly. Surrendering does not mean giving up. It's quite the opposite. It means you truly know your own truth and honor it by not engaging in anything that goes against it. Surrender to yourself. Allow yourself only what is right and true for you. In this self-respect, your frequency is set, and everything aligned with it will happen. It's the sorting of the wheat from the chaff, so to speak. The time of reckoning. You must choose your stance, your place, your right, your freedom, your dignity, your sovereignty, and everything that resonates with you. Everything else will come to you. Watch how miracles happen. Do not waver. No matter what happens in the outside world, you are you. You are truth. All the rules you know apply, and taking care of yourself is of utmost importance. This is how you calibrate yourself in every moment to adapt to the radically changing frequencies. Monitor your energy output meter, and your intake should now be predominant. Seek assistance from etheric planes of the highest resonance and stay in close contact with your intimate support team. This is the Olympics for Lightworkers now, and light warriors must maintain and calibrate themselves for optimal performance. Rest, regroup, recalibrate, rejuvenate. All of this is to be reborn. From this place of anchored calm within yourself, you can witness the collapse of external structures peacefully. This strength will be necessary for others to witness, because this kind of conviction is contagious. It's like being in the presence of a yogi. You are your own yogi, and therefore you are the example of a yogi for others. Yoda was right from the beginning. Breathe through this process of rebirth and don't force it. Allow. Surrender. You have everything. We are always strong in our presence for you.